In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Drive video on Google Sites. By the end, you'll have a clean, dedicated page on your site and that plays a video directly from your Google Drive with no extra plugins or coding required. Start by opening Google Sites in your browser. If you're not already signed in, log into your Google account so Sites can connect to your Drive. It's best to use the same account that owns or has access to the video you plan to embed, so everything shows up smoothly. Once you're in, choose the site where you want the video to appear. If you have several sites, pick the one that needs this video. This method creates a focused page that features your video, which is great for lessons, announcements, or portfolio content. Inside your chosen site, head to the Pages panel. You'll find it along the left side of the editor. Hover over the plus button to reveal page options, and then select Full Page Embed. This tells Google Sites you want to create a new page designed to host embedded content. Give your new page a clear, descriptive name. Think about how it will appear in your navigation and to your visitors. Keeping the name short and specific helps users know exactly what they're clicking. You'll notice there are many content types you could add to a page, like calendars, maps, slides, or forms. But for this walkthrough, we're focusing on a video stored in Google Drive. Next, click Add from Drive. A file picker will open, showing your folders, recents, and Shared with Me. Navigate to where your video lives. If you don't see it right away, try using the search bar or check your recent files. Make sure you're selecting the correct video file, especially if you have multiple versions. When you've located the video, click Insert. Google Sites will place an embedded video player on your new page. Because this is a full page embed, the video will have room to breathe and look polished on desktop and mobile. If needed, you can adjust the page title or where it sits in your site's navigation later. A quick tip, ensure the video sharing settings in Drive allow your intended audience to view it. If viewers don't have permission, the player may appear but won't play the content for them. That's it. You've gone to Google Sites, signed in, chosen your site, opened Pages, used Full Page Embed, named the page, added the video from Drive, located it, and inserted it. You now have a dedicated video page ready for your audience.